assuming that you're searching for Star Atlas DAO cost expectation scores for 2025, 2030, and sort of need to, for the most part, know where the costs of Star Atlas DAO Polis will go from now on. We will investigate the previous costs of Star Atlas DAO Polis and will fundamentally figure out what specialists really are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, especially remember that you really want to take this expectation and each especially other forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also anticipating something so wonderful truly is totally unthinkable, or so they generally thought. Yet, we will attempt our in a real sense the best amazingly. How about we start? Star Atlas DAO past value examination as per the most recent information assembled. The ongoing cost of Star Atlas DAO for the most part is $30.37 and Polis is as of now especially positioned #507 in the whole crypto biological system in a truly significant manner. The flow supply of Star Atlas DAO explicitly is 248,789,492 with a market cap of $75,554,710. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Star Atlas DAO's cost has shown a decent increment of 284% in the sort of most recent 24 hours. Star Atlas DAO is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with most certainly other crypto coins. The Polis is down to nearly 139%. In the genuinely most recent 7 days in a significant manner. The coin sort of is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could truly serious areas of strength for have yet. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in momentary in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2024 Star Atlas DAO cost in a real sense is figured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $980 in 2024 in a significant manner. According to our discoveries, the Polis cost could arrive at a greatest sort of conceivable degree of $640 with a truly normal estimate cost of $102 in an especially significant manner. Star Atlas DAO value forecast 2025 The cost of Star Atlas DAO generally is fundamentally anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $5,973 in 2025, which is very huge. The Star Atlas DAO cost could really arrive at an essentially greatest worth of $69.35 with a typical exchanging cost of $637 all through 2025. Polis value figure for 2026 The cost of one Star Atlas DAO for the most part is supposed to truly reach at any rate level of $439 in 2026. The Polis cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $106 with the typical cost of $2,746 all through 2026. Star Atlas DAO Polis value expectation 2027 The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to in a real sense reach at least degree of $120 in 2027, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Star Atlas DAO cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $147 with the typical cost of $125 all through 2027 in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2028 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2028, the cost of Star Atlas DAO is truly anticipated to reach at any rate level of $180. The Polis cost can by and large arrive at a greatest degree of $211 with the typical exchanging cost of $185. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2029 according to the gauge and specialized examination. In 2029, the cost of Star Atlas DAO is supposed to reach at an essentially least value worth of $256. The Polis cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $306 with the exceptionally normal worth of $266. Star Atlas DAO Polis value expectation 2030 as per our sort of profound specialized examination on exceptionally past value information of Polis. In 2030, the cost of Star Atlas DAO in a real sense is all things considered, anticipated to basically reach at least degree of $375. The Polis cost can fundamentally arrive at a very most extreme degree of $452 with the exceptionally normal exchanging cost of $386, which is very critical. Star Atlas DAO value conjecture 2031 The cost of Star Atlas DAO really is anticipated to reach at a genuinely least worth of $529 in 2031. The Star Atlas DAO cost could arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $638 with a sort of typical exchanging cost of $545 all through 2031, in spite of prevalent thinking. Star Atlas Dow Poli's Value Expectation 2032 as per our genuinely profound specialized examination on by and large past value information of Poli's. In 2032, the cost of Star Atlas Dow explicitly is gauged to be at around a base worth of $803 in an unpretentious manner. The Star Atlas Dow value worth can fundamentally arrive at a very limit of $99.42 with a typical exchanging worth of $831 in USD, which especially is very critical. Star Atlas Dow Value Expectation 2033 Star Atlas Dow cost is gauged to arrive at a kind of the least genuinely conceivable degree of $11.27 in 2033 in an unpretentious manner. According to our discoveries, the Poli's cost could by and large arrive at a most extreme, for the most part conceivable degree of $13.96 with the typical conjecture cost of $11.61, which is genuinely huge. Star Atlas Dow Value Gauge 2040 looking at verifiable execution gives setting. However, it is critical to generally perceive that previous presentation in a real sense isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2040 the cost of Star Atlas Dow especially is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $179.91 amazingly. The Poli's cost can explicitly arrive at a greatest value worth of $220.65 with the especially normal worth of $192.79 in a by and large significant manner. Poli's value estimate for 2050 organizations and coordinated efforts with laid-out organizations or businesses can contribute essentially to standard acknowledgement in a by and large huge manner. In view of our Star Atlas Dow cost expectation in 2050, the base anticipated cost is $250.25 and can basically reach as commonly high as $293.31 for the year 2050, which is genuinely critical. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $262.32. Star Atlas Dow Value Estimate Facts. What explicitly is the Star Atlas Dow cost today? Today's Star Atlas Dow Poli's is exchanging at $37 with the market cap of $75,554,710,000, which is very huge. What will sort of be the Poli's most elevated gauge cost for 2024? The Poli's cost in every way that really matters is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $46.40 toward the finish of 2024. What amount truly does Star Atlas Dow cost in 2025? The cost of Star Atlas Dow will increment with respect to all goals and purposes more financial backers engage in the task in an unpretentious way. In year 2025, Star Atlas Dow will be, all things considered, worth about a normal cost of $637. Is Star Atlas Dow Poli's a very wise venture? Star Atlas Dow's worth for the most part is supposed to keep on extending, as deficiency will in general in a real sense energize cost rise. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any interest incredibly. Simply put resources into what you can essentially achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and